gonna make some stew chicken. As you can see, stew chicken well nice and clean. Wash off well nice and clean. Now we're gonna put some dry seasoning and season up. Sunday day style, in the kitchen style. So first we're gonna put some garlic powder. I'm gonna sprinkle a little garlic powder. A little allspice powder. In the chicken, I like my chicken with a lot of allspice powder. I do chicken seasoning. And then we'll put a little all-purpose seasoning salt. And we're good to go. Give it a little one shake. Then I tip a little soy sauce. Stew chicken, not a little bit, just a little bit to give it a little color. So when you fry it, it's nice and brown. In the kitchen style. You know, and we have some red peas, you know, we're going to set on the red peas after. I know, in the kitchen, Sunday day style, nice and easy. And we have some onion, tomato for put on the chicken when we're done. We just go and season, put on some dry seasoning, rub up nice and easy. In the kitchen style. Sprinkle a little thyme on it. In the kitchen season. Little pimento seed in the kitchen style, nice and easy. Now we're gonna make some onion, put some fresh seasoned fresh onion, make everything marinate together. Some fresh scallion, a little country pepper. Give a little stir with the onion. In the kitchen style. Nice. Sunday day style. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Little fresh garlic. And we're gonna let him sit and marinate for about an hour or 2 hours. Then we're gonna get back and start to fry and shoot. My beautiful people, now as you can see, the chicken sit now, marinated 1 hour ago. So now we're ready to fry. So we're gonna show you the style. We're gonna brown the chicken and before we stew it down. So now all the seasoning, I'm gonna pick off some of the green seasoning, the onion and the peppers and the stuff, and I'm gonna put in the pot just to brown. Pick up some of the onion. No onion, no seasoning in the pot. So we're gonna fry nice. Brown the chicken. The stew chicken, you know, we're browning up. Sunday style, in the kitchen style. Like, subscribe, comments in the YouTube channel. See you. Now the chicken browning. As you can see, chicken is frying now. Yeah, we are going to add some red peas to the pot now. Cook some rice and peas. Stew chicken. Looking nice. Add a little salt. Let the peas go and boil. Drop 2 fresh garlic. Let them go and boil out with my peas. Nice and easy. And let the peas go and cook. We have the coconut milk. We have the coconut to go in it. You know the style. In the kitchen style. Keeping them brown and nice. Take them out. Now we have to stew them down. Add 2 more pieces of chicken, take off the onions, scallion and the thyme, put a little in the pot. Thank you, my lovely people. Subscribe, share, like. Check me out on the TikToks. Stew chicken nice and brown. Peas are boiled. The peas go and cook a little bit. Chicken done fry. Now we are going to stew down. Cut up some carrot, some vegetable. Put in our add to our seasoning. And then we are going to stew down the chicken. Yes, my people. We're there again. So now the peas ready. And we are going to throw the coconut milk. Nice and easy. Peas half ready. There we go. Put a few Shelly and make him go and bubble up on top. I look at one country pepper. I make him go and simmer down. Yeah, the rice this. I wash off the rice now in the kitchen style. Drop it on my peas. So my peas and my coconut boil up nice over there. Wash off the rice nice and clean. In the kitchen like it nice and clean. Yeah. Now we have the rice nice and clean. In the kitchen nice and clean. Pour him in my pot. Give him a 1 star. My 1 star so my peas them can float up on top. Nice and easy. See him sexy and nice. When him simmer down. Subscribe, like and share in the kitchen style. Catch you when it simmer down nice and easy. Yes, my lovely people. In the kitchen again, my stewed chicken as you can see. Fry nice. Stewing down now. We have a little vegetable where we did season pan. Now we have to put some carrot and some more vegetable. Some nice bell pepper, nice and pretty. Some onion, scallion. We are going to stew down now in the kitchen style. Nice red pepper. So when the old lady do it, she do it nice and sweet, you know. Just like that, in the kitchen style. Little piece of red tomato, nice and pretty. Make him go and stew down. Good old fresh garlic. Jamaican love the old fresh garlic. Nice piece of carrot, a little piece of carrot, like a stewed chicken, nice. So it's stewed chicken bad. See? Flavoring in the kitchen style. YouTube. Nice vegetable. Simmer down upon my chicken now. Nice. Watch me. Lay on the vegetable. Nice. And the real Jamaican stew chicken this, you know. YouTuber. Watch me carefully. Watch me. And the real one this. Watch how it come down. Watch how when it come down. Yard style. Sunday day style this, you know. Rice and peas over here, so look. Whoa, rice and peas and simmer down. Watch me. When the chicken come down now, watch me. It a come down. Watch me good. Stewed chicken a come, Papa. See? Cover my rice with a little piece of foil. Make him steam nice and Shelly. Sunday day, good old rice and peas and stewed chicken, Papa. Simmer down, you know. Simmer down. Subscribe, like, share. Check me out on the TikTok channel. Stew chicken. Feel authentic, Jamaican style. Look how it look nice and pretty. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing. See my rice and peas now. See my rice and peas. May I get a 1 fork now. In the kitchen style. For my beautiful people, see how the rice and peas look now? Me give my 1 taste. the kitchen style. In the kitchen. Look pan the stew chicken. Oh, stew chicken bad boy. Yes, as you can see, my stew chicken simmer, well nice, tasty. Rice and peas nice and shelly in the kitchen style. Check me out in the next video. Like, share and subscribe to In the Kitchen. See you in the next video.